Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of DB2 SQL, which is locate. So before we discuss about this method, firstly I will show you one table and we'll see the data of that table, and then we will understand like the requirement, what is the need of using this locate method, and then later we will see the program where we are using this locate method. So let me walk you through the data. So I'm taking option. I'm running one query here. Select star from Sharmit 1, which is my library name, slash emp, which is my table name. Now once I hit enter, it will show this data. Now suppose the requirement is that we want to find out the exact position of letter H from this name, which is stored in first name column. So how to do that? So to fetch this position of letter H mainly for this specific row, you can use locate function. So what locate function will do? It will fetch the letter H and return the position of it letter H. Okay. So syntax is quite simple. You need to pass three argument here. First one is the substring which you want to search. In our case, it would be H, small h, and then we need to pass the column where it will search the data. So I will pass it as first name, and then the length, not the length, the starting position from where we want to start the location. Okay, so let's see this in SQLRPGLE program, like how we are using it. So what we are doing here, firstly we are declaring one constant which is SQL state underscore valid, and then we are setting the position, we are declaring the variable as position where we will store the retrieved output, and then we are setting the commitment control as a star none, which is not mandatory in this case because we are just reading the data. So it is up to you. If you want to keep it, you can keep, otherwise you can remove this line. Now what we are doing, we are running the main query which is exec SQL select, and this is the method name. So locate, first argument is the search argument which you want to search, so I will make it as small h. Then second argument is the column where you want to search the data, so I will pass it as first name, and third argument is the starting position. So if you remember, if you have learned about the scan function in RPGLE, then it is something related to that, right? Because it is also used to find out the exact position of the character. Then I'm using the alias as position into, and this is my host variable colon position from Sharmit1 slash emp table fetch first row only. So here we are just printing it for the first row. Later we will also discuss like how we can print the multiple records at a time, right? But for now we are just going to print only one record. Now after this query is executed successfully, we are checking if it is proper, then we will print the position. Otherwise, we will print the SQL state with a message query ended with an error and INR equals to star on. So let's go and quickly compile this program and call this. So it is returning 3. So let's verify the same. So if I run the table data here, so you can see letter H is present at position 3, which is correct. Okay. So this is how you can utilize locate function in order to find out the exact position of any specific character in a column. If I talk about the DB2, means here in DB2 SQL we can directly use this command. So I will show you. Yeah, here it is. So I will retrieve this using F9. So select locate, same thing I'm passing here, small h, first name 1, first name, and also I'm printing the first name column together from Sharmit1 slash emp. So it is printing in this way. Okay, so here you can see for the first name h is present at location 3. Here h is not there, so it is printing 0, and here h is present at 4th position, so likewise it is printing for all the data. Okay, one more advantage of this method, like if you would like to fetch this, like if you want to fetch this thing, but let me show you that query. Yeah, here it is. So here what I'm doing, I'm using this locate function in where clause. So you can see I'm printing, I want to print the first name from emp table where location means h is the position 3 at 3rd position from the first name. So if I hit enter here, it will print only that name. Okay, so during analysis, if you want to find out any name, let's say which is which contain h at the 3rd position of the name, then you can use locate method with where clause also. Okay, So yeah, there are many advantages of using this locate function. So as per your requirement, you can use it. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.